Gorge Underground is located in Rogers, Kentucky in the Daniel Boone National Forest area. It was originally a limestone mine. The mine was first dug in 1890 and was abandoned in 1985 when miners struck a natural spring which flooded the mine faster than they could pump it out, forcing it to be abandoned. Even though it was abandoned for so long, you can actually still see footprints under the water. It stays about 55 degrees all year round, so bats do tend to hibernate in there and hang out in there. It's sat abandoned for a very long time without any owner until the owner that has it now eventually snagged it for a very, very reasonable price and turned it into something really cool.
Hey guys, how's everybody doing today? Leo here with the Hillbilly Files. Got something a little bit unusual for you guys today. Now I am in a little town called Rogers at a place called the Gorge Underground. The coolest place in the gorge. Now we are not far from the Red River Gorge. This place here is, Heather and I came over here before. We came over here together once, and then her and some of her buddies came over here, some of her girlfriends, and they went out here too. But this place here, you guys are going to love this. This is stupid cool. Now, this right here is an underground flooded quarry. And you can rent paddle boats. They have lights underneath them and all that. They all light up different colors and all that kind of junk. It's beautiful. But anyhow, you get back in there on these little paddle boards, and it's a great big lake that's underneath a mountain inside this great big mine, basically. They take out tours on, I think they got a small pontoon boat or something like that they take people out on. But I just wanted to come over here. This is an amazingly beautiful place. You guys are absolutely going to love this. Anyway, I've got about half an hour. Got to kill till my tour starts. Got here just a little bit early, but you know, it's a good thing, I suppose. Better than being late, right? But I'm gonna go pick me a little spot somewhere out of the way, sit down, chill out till it's time for our tour. Check that out. That is the entrance to the old rock quarry. You go down through here, and they fit you with, you know, helmet, light, life jacket, that sort of thing before you go in. But this side, I believe this side has boats as well. The other side, there's two of these, one on this side and one on the other side. And I think the other one just does kayaks and canoes and paddle boards. And I believe, if I'm not mistaken, I believe Heather took a little, she came over here and did this side. Her and some of her buddies, you know, some girlfriends. And they came over and did this side one night. And if I'm not mistaken, I believe they were out on a boat. But I'm going to go for probably the kayak or the paddle board, something like that. Get right down there, you know. Anyway.
About hip level while we're in the, or waist level while we're in the water. And if you dig it in, that water's really gonna fill up your lap, and you don't really want to be cold the entire time. We do have these drip guards that you can scoot down to help you out a little bit. But and it is counter steering, so when you're on the water, if you want to go to the right, you're gonna paddle hard on that leg. And if you want to go to the right, you're gonna paddle hard, or if you're gonna go to the left, you're gonna paddle right hard on that right. And to go backwards, you're just gonna flip that around and push the water away from you. So do you have any questions about the paddle? All right. And we're gonna wait for these guys to pass. You guys have a good tour?
Yeah. Where is this supposed to be?
In the second shipping container.
Yep.
Do you guys remember my name? Taylor. My name's Taylor, and we're gonna have Caleb with us as well. All right, we're gonna make our way down here. You guys can grab any paddle that you'd like. They're all the same size. And you're just gonna make your way to the right down there.
Here we go.
And did we just have the one tandem? Was anyone else wanting to take a tandem?
A battery and a spotlight over here. It happens.
What did you say? I'm sorry. Yep, alright. So you guys can just make your way down to the right there, and Caleb will meet you down there in just a minute.
That is wild looking.
So, alright, you guys, when you all get into the water, try not to go off very far. You all see that green light up there in the water. Try not to pass that up. And try not to go too far to the left. Try to get the ropes blocked out. Guys, who else is going to be taking a tandem? So you guys are in front or you guys in the middle? You guys in the back are taking a tandem? What about you? Okay, so I think we have 4. We'll just do a tandem first. We got a tandem. Got it for you?
All right, thank you. No, I'm good, thank you.
All right.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Now flip that paddle up.
Go right ahead. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Check this out. Let me get my light on. You can see everybody else getting ready, getting loaded. How cool is this? I've got a glass bottom boat. I can see through the bottom. This is wild. Check this out, guys. Look at this. Underground quarry completely flooded. It's an old pipe and looks like a barrel under the water right there. Look at this. As soon as everybody gets loaded and gets all on their boats, we'll start the tour and head out here in a minute. I'm gonna turn my light down so I'm not blinding everybody.
No guessing?
Quarry?
In what?
Is it a quarry?
I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
A quarry?
No. Flooded mine. Well, this is a flooded mine, yes. But we're actually sitting in kayaks right now. But we are going to be paddling through an abandoned limestone mine. The mine was abandoned in 1986 after the 5-year evacuation they planned. After they hit the springs, also known as an underground lake or an aquifer, that formed the mine. So
This
as
fish.
you look here in the distance, we are
Giant
gonna pass
fish.
those original springs. And yeah, since Caleb's on the water, you guys can go ahead and follow me.
Look at the size of that one.
So the mine was abandoned in
Big
1986,
fish.
like I said, and our owner, Ian Teal, bought the land above originally to build cabins in 2014, and we started doing kayaking tours in 2016, and we've been doing tours ever since. The limestone is used for many different things: fencing plates, cereal, makeup. And if you're ever wondering if there's limestone in anything, you can always look on the back. It is classified as calcium carbonate. And as you can hear, we are coming up on the springs. So as we go through these, you want to stick to either the left or to the right side. The springs do run down through the middle, and you're welcome to go through them, but it is going to be pretty cold.
I bet.
So either to the left or to the right side.
A little light on the subject here. You see the streams pouring right out of the ceiling into the water. That is wild. Just pouring out of little cracks in the roof. Look at that. This is amazing, guys. If any of you are down this way, you have got to come do this. This is amazing. Look at that. Everywhere you look is something wild looking. Swinging those around. And Heather and I saw a bat in here when we came over the other time. Here's another light. Look at this. Look at these giant rainbow trout. They congregate around the light. Look here, hang on, I'm coming up on a bunch. Look at the size of these things. Can y'all see these? Look at that.
But that is going to be the hardest part of the tour, kind of getting down from there. Quite literally, actually. But if you want, you can go ahead and give yourself a round of applause. But if you're really brave, you can give yourself a standing ovation. Do we have any brave souls with us today? No. So those springs we just passed by, those have been tested on many different Kentucky bourbon. Do you notice anything different about this hallway? The ceiling is getting a little closer to us, right? Which means the water is getting deeper below us. The water here is about 25 feet.
At 25 feet here, she said.
The water is by looking at the dry part of the wall. When the miners come through here, they cut these hallways to be about 35 feet in height. So all the little dry side
That's interesting. She said it's about 35 feet high. So the further we go back, the lower the ceiling gets. So just basically subtract whatever, when you're looking at the wall, subtract that from, 35 feet, and that'll give you approximate water depth. Look at these fish, man. Look at this. Let me get my light on. Rainbow trout in here. Coming up on some really big ones. Look at that one. Monster trout in here. Ton of them too. Look at that one. Right under me.
So it does take a little longer.
Ooh, that's some icy water. Ooh, that's cold. You do not want to fall in here.
So basically, we did have trespassers come down here, and we did receive us a cave drawing right on my point. It is about 30 years ancient.
A 30-year ancient cave drawing. Ceiling's getting closer. The water's getting deep.
It's kind of like a self-portrait of me. I'm on this side.
Turn my light on a second. Little cubby hole here. Look at that. That is wild, guys. Look at that. This goes off in all different directions. I guess we'll follow the guide, I suppose. I'm not used to following a guide. I'm used to leading this stuff. I see the ancient cave drawing she mentioned. 30-year-old ancient cave drawings. See the bottom a little bit right there.
So right behind me here is the deepest part of the mine. If you were to paddle down there, you'd be able to reach up and it's just full below you. We don't normally take big groups like this method because it is a pretty tight fit. It only takes one person to figure out that they're claustrophobic. That kind of ruins the rest of the tour.
Old electrical. I don't know if y'all can see that. Just old electrical equipment back in here. Wow. This water is crystal clear. You can see the spots where you come up is like 6 feet deep. You can see all the way to the bottom. Pop back up here. A corpse.
Not a corpse.
2 corpses.
No, it was in a black garbage bag that took shut. And it wasn't a body. It was a shotgun that had the serial number scratched off. At the same time, the price is coming back up.
Look how pretty. I don't know if y'all can see this. Okay. Sounded like an alligator. Look at that. See how clear the water is? See all the way to the bottom. That is wild.
It's not very good at holding its own weight like shovel or like flax.
These are rock formations. Wild looking place in here. Trying to keep my voice down, you know, a whole bunch of people in closed space, you know. Where's the fossil tree? Where's the tree?
I'm sorry?
Where was the tree?
A fossilized taproot of a tree.
Oh, yeah.
I'm not exactly sure what type of tree it is, but it's estimated that if the tree were still alive today, it would be bigger than the redwood.
She said they found a fossil of an unknown tree and said that if it were alive today, it would be bigger than a redwood. Now this is something some of you guys might recognize. I've mentioned these before in our mining videos. This is a kettle bottom. When I told you about how fossils will fall out and, you know, crush coal miners, that's what it looks like right there. Can y'all see that? I'm trying to lean back here as I go under it. But it's just a great big cavity, and there'll be a big tree root or chunk of mud or whatever, you know, that fossilized. Looks like, if you look, looks like a stream. Looks like an old stream going down through there that fossilized or something. You see it? That is wild looking, isn't it? Looks like an old stream that's fossilized into the roof. I'm guessing y'all can see that. I hope you can anyway. It goes over that way and goes. Let me get my good light on. Oh, had my good light on. You can see it right there. Kind of circles around and goes over that way. Could very well be. You can see the fossilized right there. It's like an ancient creek. This is wild. Don't look like it'd be a very good place to get lost in. Hang on, let me get up here. She's saying something. Oh, it's a slate fall. Right there.
And that's nowhere near the surface. Because right now we're about 265 feet underground.
Wow, she said that we are about 265 feet underground right here. Look at that. Hang on. Let me see if I can coast under this. Look at that. I don't know if y'all can see that big old hole in the ceiling. Big, isn't it? Big old hole in the ceiling. Okay. Okay, she was saying that the gold you mentioned earlier looks like gold in the ceiling. It's basically, it's a fungus, and it sparkles. The moisture condensation, you know, sticks on it, and it just kind of sparkles and looks like gold. But it's actually cave slime. Collapse. She said that it collapsed right there. Big chunk of it, big chunk of the ceiling fell out. She did it about 35 years ago. She thinks it's probably pretty safe now, probably. Look at that hole. Wow. Very misty in here. You can see the mist in front of your face. She said we'll be paddling about a mile total.
Does anyone know what limestone is made of? So if you look at the limestone, you can see all of those different layers. Each of those layers was once the bottom of the ocean. So limestone is made up of oceanic material.
Are you serious?
No, I'm just messing with you. It's just shell rock that's in the shape of a shark.
Said it was a shark, fossilized shark. I said, really? She said, no, it just looks like one.
We actually had our boss go on the news and said that it was a real fossilized shark.
There's it right there in the wall. Kind of looks like a shark, sort of. Could be another Doberman, too. Nice little lights all through. Right there. It makes you wonder how they did the electrical and all this water. How big is the entire mine?
It's 7 acres, 5 of which are flooded and then 2 are dry.
Okay. So I'll get that 7 acres, 5 flooded,
Their entrance
underwater.
is actually on the dry side of the mine, so if you do want to go to left side, it is about a 10-minute hike on the dry side of the mine.
You got that backward paddle down pat, don't you?
I do. I actually prefer going backwards. I've been here for about 3 months, and we usually have about 5 tours a day. So if anyone's good at math, you can tell me how many times I've done this. And right behind me is actually one of the most dangerous rooms in the mine. And not because of the very real spider that's in there, but because of all that shell rock. The miners found way too much of that shell rock in there to blast out, so they created a barrier, also known as a berm, so the miners refer to them as, just to block that entire rock because of all that shell rock. And it's a good thing that they went ahead and blocked it off. About 3 days after they blocked it off, that big pile of rock that the spider is sitting on, all of that fell. So it's a good thing
So this side has a bunch of shale in it, and they put a berm up there so that nobody could go back in there. Kind of hard to see. It's little droplets of water. There's so much moisture in the air, humidity. Little tiny droplets everywhere. Just a mist. Look at that.
If you look up here, the ceiling is a little darker. That's because all of the machines and generators that the miners use ran off of diesel, so it discolored the ceiling. And with those lighter spots, that's the limestone trying to clean itself. So it looks like a starry night sky.
It does, doesn't it?
Do we have anyone that believes in conspiracy theories like Bigfoot or the Loch Ness Monster or anything like that? Well, we actually have something a little spooky down here. It's not Nessie, the Loch Ness Monster, but it's her cousin, Jessie. And it's right over here. You'll be able to see it.
Jessie, the cave monster.
She got pretty bent out of shape last night.
Nessie, Jessie, the cave monster. Look at the ground.
As you can
You
tell,
can see it.
didn't really do the job down here. That's just a pipe used for irrigation to try and filter water out. But we actually had to decorate it because our sister companies up in Kentucky, they do stand-up paddleboards. That's what South Kentucky stands for. And when you're on the paddleboard, you're mainly paying attention to your footing to try and balance yourself. And they would go right through there and they would hit the pipe and just flip off their paddleboard. I'm going to be up there to pull you guys in through a similar chute that Caleb's sitting out of. And you guys are going to go ahead and take your paddles back to the paddle rack. And then in the second shipping container where you guys...
This is insanely wild, isn't it? What's this? Oh, it's a boat. Pontoon boat back here. Let me get my light on. See it? A pontoon boat down here. Huh. This is so cool. How cool was this little ride, though? Told you you'd like it. Kayaking underground. Okay, we're coming up on the dock now, almost to the end. In case anybody's curious, they slide your boat up there, so you're good. You don't have to, you're not going to fall. Put it that way. Thank you. Guys, great little tour.
Yeah,
Whoa, fall. Great little tour. Thank you.
You'll just take that back to the town, all right?
You got it. How cool was that, guys? Check this place out. As I can get my camera out now. I was afraid I'd drop it in the water. Check this out. Everything underground here. That's where we went. We went off that way and came back down through this way. How wild is this? And a giant trout. How cool was that? Look at this place. Alright, I guess time to head back out and get out of my life jacket if I can. There we go. Oh, wild little adventure, ain't it?
Yeah. So all those have no batteries?
Okay.
Okay. I guess I'll
Yes.
set these to the side. Then
Yeah, man, I'll take care of it. No
that way,
worries.
I was just saying we can, but that way you don't, like miss any or anything.
What do you mean?
Like if you already got those and then hang these up.
Ah. Yeah, I brought my tactical jacket so I could put my camera in there.
Did y'all have a good time?
Did, man, did. Thank you very much. Thank you. Y'all do a good job. Fun. Oh yeah, I left mine on, didn't I?
Okay, there you go.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
I didn't think we had
Good,
to,
good
but-
looking out, man. Good looking out.
Y'all have a good rest of your day.
You
Take care,
too.
friends.
Y'all have a good one. Have fun. Ooh, it's bright. It's like daylight out here. I don't like that. There's the entrance on this side. Well, guys, how'd y'all like it?
It was good. That was fun.
Good, good. The kayaks were pretty cool.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Yeah, they were
So
pretty
you
cool.
could see right through the bottom. That was pretty.
Yeah, yeah, they
And
had
the fish
glass.
were
Yeah, they had
huge.
clear bottoms in them. You could see the bottom through them.
Yeah, the fish
Guys,
were
it's nice
really
meeting
big.
y'all.
Yeah,
they
you
were.
as well.
Really nice meeting you guys. You
Yeah,
know,
hopefully, you know,
enjoy
you'll-
enjoy our little neck of the woods. You know.
Yeah, no, really. You can come and see our snow anytime.
Okay. Well, nice meeting you
Yeah, you
guys.
as well.
Have a great one.
Hey, young couple I met when we were out waiting. See you guys. Yes. You'll love it.
Good time, huh?
It's tons of fun. Well,
Door ain't cooperating.
now how cool was that? Now that is a cool little adventure for an afternoon right there. Get my glasses back out. I brought my tactical vest. I got pockets. I got junk in all my pockets. Memory cards, batteries, shades. Gotta be prepared. Anyway, guys, all right. So I'm gonna head down here to the car, peel off this jacket. It's kind of warm out here. About 57 in there. You just about have to wear a hoodie or something. But it's about 85 out here. So I don't think I'm going to need the jacket very much longer. Or the hoodie much longer. Anyway, guys, thank y'all for coming along. We appreciate you. Hope y'all enjoyed our little outing today. Kayaking in an underground cave. How cool is that? Huh? Alright, anyway, I'm out of here. I'm gonna load up and head on back. I got a long drive ahead of me, and Heather's home waiting on me. Thought I'd bring y'all over here and show y'all something really cool. Take y'all a little adventure for once. Anyway, like I said, thank y'all for watching. Appreciate you coming along. Y'all have a great day. We'll see you next time on the Hillbilly Farm.